Hello everyone, today I will talk to you about a new release of iOS 17.0.2. That is a new software release that has about 500 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long to update. Basically what you need to do is open settings, click general, then software update, and you will see if the update is offered to you. As you can see, my iPhone 11 is up to date. I have the latest update, and this update is all about fixing security issues, and there are no new features in this update. Those will be coming in iOS 17.1, which could be released soon. This release 17.0.2 is security improvement, and there are some, basically they fixed some issues that appeared on also on iPhone 15 series. If you have a lot of problems or problems with battery or some other issues, then you can also try to get back to iOS 16.7 or 16.6.1. But I think that this version now 17.0.2 is has fixed all they want, and basically that's it. Everything else is same as before, so there are no new features. Everything will work as before. Thank you for watching.